The biggest investing myth in 2026? That you need thousands of dollars to build real wealth. You don't. In the next few minutes, you'll discover 5 surprisingly powerful investments almost anyone can start today. And the last one might completely change how you think about money. Imagine 2 friends, Alex and Ben. Both have $50. Alex spends it on random online deals that seemed too good to miss. Ben buys shares of a low-cost index fund through fractional investing. 1 year later, Alex barely remembers what he bought, but Ben owns a tiny piece of hundreds of companies. It may not sound exciting, yet history consistently favors patient investors. Even legendary investor Warren Buffett recommends simple index funds for most people because they reduce risk through diversification instead of chasing the next hot trend. The real secret isn't starting big. It's starting early and staying consistent. Investing $20 every week often beats waiting years for the perfect moment. Ask yourself, would you rather own another forgotten gadget or let your money quietly work while you sleep? But stocks aren't the only smart move. The next investment costs even less, and surprisingly, nobody can ever take it away from you. Investment number 2 is knowledge that pays you back for years. Picture Sarah buying a $20 course on spreadsheet automation while Jake buys another fast food dinner and forgets it by tomorrow. 6 months later, Sarah finishes tasks in half the time and lands a higher-paying freelance project. That's the kind of return most people never calculate. Author James Clear often reminds us that small improvements compound, and skills work exactly the same way. Whether it's learning AI tools, video editing, coding, sales, or public speaking, one practical skill can generate income again and again. Better yet, many platforms offer affordable courses, while free resources let you test a skill before spending anything. Here's the funny part. People happily spend $50 on a weekend they barely remember, but hesitate to invest $20 in something that could increase their income for years. Next comes an investment hiding in plain sight, yet millions completely overlook it. Investment number 3 is building a small digital asset, followed by 2 often overlooked opportunities. Imagine Mia spends $30 on a domain name and creates a simple website sharing study notes or travel tips. Months later, ads, affiliate links, or digital products start earning while she sleeps. Not every project succeeds, but one successful asset can outperform dozens of impulse purchases. Investment number 4 is your professional network. Research has repeatedly shown that many jobs and opportunities come through personal connections rather than traditional applications. A coffee chat, an online community, or a local meetup can open doors money never could. Finally, investment number 5 is your financial safety net. Saving even a small emergency fund isn't flashy, but it prevents high-interest debt from destroying future investments. Think about it. Which person becomes wealthier? Someone constantly fixing financial emergencies, or someone calmly investing because they're prepared? The answer seems obvious, yet most people still choose the harder path. The best investment isn't the most expensive, it's the one you actually start. Which of these 5 will you begin this week? Your future self is already waiting.